Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this ScreenPal guide for 2026, I'll show you how to optimize ScreenPal recording quality. Whether you're creating tutorials, YouTube videos, online courses, business presentations, software demonstrations, or training materials, improving your recording quality can make your content look more professional and engaging. So let's get started. First, make sure your computer meets the recommended system requirements for ScreenPal. Recording high-quality video requires sufficient processing power, memory, and available storage space. Next, close unnecessary applications before recording. Running too many programs at the same time can reduce performance and lead to lag, dropped frames, or lower recording quality. One of the most important settings is your recording resolution. Choose a resolution that matches your content needs. Higher resolutions generally produce sharper videos, but they also require more system resources and larger file sizes. If you're recording tutorials or software demonstrations, make sure your screen resolution is set appropriately before you start recording. Clear text and interface elements are essential for viewer comprehension, and that's how to optimize ScreenPal recording quality. By improving your hardware setup, adjusting recording settings, enhancing audio and lighting, and using proper export options, you can create professional quality recordings that look and sound great. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.